everyone, Guns and Rosary po. Tara, samahan niyo po akong mag-shooting experience. Dito po yan sa PB Dionisio Indoor Shooting Range. At kahit gun ban ngayon, pwede pa rin tayong mag-shooting experience. At located po sila sa number 27 Don Alejandro Street, Don A. Rosas Avenue, Quezon City. Tara, akit na po tayo sa 4th floor sa kanilang indoor shooting range. At ayan po si Madam Ladyguard. Magla-login po tayo sa kanyang logbook and mag-iwan po tayo ng valid ID. At ito naman po ang kanilang mga firearm for rental. Meron tayo mga ZZ, Beretta at caliber 9mm, 40, 45 at meron din po sa other side nito. At hindi ko na po nakunan dahil excited ako sa napili kong firearm. At ito naman po ang kanilang firearm rental rate. Bahala na po kayo mag-screenshot. May eco unit, regular, premium and group session. At syempre, ayan po si Sir Edgar, ang Senior Range Safety Officer dito po sa indoor shooting range. At wag po nating kalimutan ang 4 rules of gun safety para sa ating kaligtasan. At wag po natin kalimutan ang PPE gear, ang earring and eye protection. Maraming salamat Gator's Eyewear and Earmore sa pagpapadala ng ating PPE gear. Thank you for product collaboration. So ayun, okay. Ito po ang ating napiling firearm, ang Beretta Pistol 92X, chamber in 9mm, meron siyang 15 capacity. Lagi po tayo mag-perform ng clearance check and chamber verify kapag po tayo ay dadambot ng firearm. And mag-conduct po tayo ng dry fire and familiarization sa ating napiling firearm for shooting experience. At ayan, maganda rin po na ma-experience natin na tayo po mismo ang mag-load ng mga ammunition sa ating magazine for muscle memory and experience. Okay, i-load na po natin ating magazine and rack die slide, chamber verify, and good to go for shooting experience. Ayan, kapag nag-open po ang bolt, wala na pong bala, release magazine, chamber verify, and make it sure it's empty. Napaka-swabing gamitin and smooth na itong Beretta 92X. Meron itong single and double action at meron itong barrel length na 125mm at meron itong overall length na 8.7 inches. At meron itong bigat na 1350 grams. At meron din itong taas na 5.8 inches. Okay, isa pa pong another round ng shooting experience. Isa pang last one round sa ating indoor shooting experience. Enjoy din kapag meron tayong mga classmates sa indoor shooting range and make more friends and exchange of knowledge sa shooting experience. Tara po, tignan po natin ang kanilang showroom. Check po natin ang kanilang mga available display para sa kanilang showroom sa second floor. Take note, this video is for entertainment purposes only and for educational purposes only. Firearm in this video is not for sale. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Please like and subscribe sa ating page and channel. Stay safe po and God bless.